your girl Chantel Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my Boxycharm Premium for the month of September. So if you want to see what I received in my Boxycharm Premium, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I just received my Boxycharm Premium in the mail. I don't know why it took so long, but hey, I'm excited that I just received it because it feels nice and heavy and big. But yes, and I'm excited to open it because you know I jump right on here and open it with you guys. But if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. Usually you sign up for the base box, which is $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. I think valuing over $125. And then you can sign up for the Boxy Premium. You have to get on the wait list. And then the Boxy Premium is a $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products valuing over $175. You can keep both the base box and the premium box, or you can cancel your base box and just keep the premium, whichever you prefer, but you do have to sign up for the base box first and get on the waiting list for the premium. And once you are off the waiting list, then you'll be able to get the box. And when you say waiting list, people get discouraged because they think it's really, really long. I was only on the waiting list like 3 weeks, so it's not, I don't know, my experience, it wasn't long. I'm not sure about other people's, but I'm ready to get into this video to see what goodies I got this month. And usually you can customize one product in your box, but I don't think I did this month. I'll be forgetting sometimes because I'm so busy, but we are going to see. So I have my box right here, and I have some handy dandy scissors so I can cut it open. So yes, so here we go. This is our box. It says hello Charmer, and it has their tag handles and hashtags and stuff, and it says Boxycharm Premium. And I love this shade of blue that they use for their box, and the items are all at the bottom, and I like that it's covered up so we don't get a sneak peek. So let's see. So I have the stock card, and this month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. Yes. So this is this month's theme, and I have variation number 3, which is like, wow, because I always have a really, really high variation number. So to have variation number 3, I'm like, hey, okay. So I will be using the stock card to let you guys know about the products and the prices. Normally I don't, but hey, I've been doing it lately, and I like it. So the first item that I see is by, I think it says O. Henriksen. It's a Transform Plus Fights All Major Signs of Aging Fat Glow Facial. Okay. It says instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic Birch Sap. It's a facial mask. So that's interesting. I've never heard of this. So let's see what it looks like. There you go. Oh, okay. It's in a nice little white bottle, and it comes in a pump. I like that. So this is a glow facial mask. So I think I might give this a try. And let's see what this says about the mask. The Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. Get flawless skin in the flash with PHAs that no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in Ole's first one-step at-home facial. That was a lot to say with no comments. Just saying. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat, literally, like AHAs. PHAs deliver skin-perfecting, age-fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that bonds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. And this is retailing for $50. So this sounds nice, and I do like AHAs and PHAs and stuff like that, so I'm definitely going to give this a try. Alright, so the next item is by Emma Hardy. It's the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, and antioxidant protection. So this is the packaging. So face oil is always nice to have, but for me personally, I'm not using any face oils because I broke out really bad, and I'm just now getting my skin back together from a face oil that I tried. So I will be putting this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. So let's see what this stock card says about this facial oil. It says the Emma Hardy Brilliance Face Oil, hydrating and lightweight. The Brilliance Face Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into the skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify the skin, while camellia oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damages. And this retails for $55. So this is going to go in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. And it does sound nice. It's just that I'm not using oils on my face right now. So the next item we have, this is from Marc Jacobs. It is the High Shine Gloss Lip Gloss. Here goes the packaging. And I got shade Sugar High, which is number 32. So let's open this up. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, I like it. It's really pink. It's really pink. So here, I like the packaging a lot. Oops. I like the packaging a lot. Super cute. This is really pink. But it's more like a mauve pink. I have to, let's swatch it. Oh yeah, I can rock with this. I can rock with this pink. And I do like wearing a lot of pink. So, and October's coming up, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And, you know, you wear a lot of pink for that. So, this will be nice. And it feels really creamy. And look how shiny it is. I like that. So, I'm definitely going to try this gloss out. So, the Marc Jacobs High Shine Lip Liqueur is formulated with a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transfer color pigments into a hydrating gloss. Enriched with antioxidants, rich superfoods, and cell repairing phytonutrients. I have no idea. I'm sorry, you guys. Plus vitamin A and C, unprecedentedly shine and unstoppable wear. And it was $29. So that is not bad, and I do like the color, and like I said, it feels very moisturizing and shining. Like, yeah, I would want this on my lips, okay? And so next up, we have an ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. So this is nice. I think one of my other YouTubers that I was watching got one of these, and it's an ice roller for your skin. So it's by Kashik, if I'm saying that right. And it says the ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. And this is $18. I have a roller, a jade roller, which I think is the same as an ice roller. So I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. So yes, my lucky subscriber is getting 2 items so far, and I'm keeping 2 items out of my box so far. So that is not bad at all. So the next item that we got, it says the Glowing Vacation Skin inside this bag. Coconut coffee scrub. Exfoliate for smooth glowing skin. Okay, so this is a body scrub for your skin. And I love body scrubs. Like, I use body scrubs every day in the shower. But I'm not a coffee person, and I'm pretty sure this has a coffee scent. So I will be putting this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. And it is a nice size bag. It is 7.05 ounces, so it's a nice size. I just don't want to, you know, just be saving stuff to be saving it. I do have a lot of body scrubs, and I don't like coffee, and I don't like the scent of coffee, so I will give this to one of my lucky subscribers. But feeling this bag, it feels very, very nice, like I want to put it on my skin. So, gonna put this right on the side for one of my lucky subscribers. And it says, the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub, Vacation Glowing Skin, right this way, babe. I'm a natural vegan body scrub here to give you vacation glowy skin all year round. With a blend of coffee and essential oils, I'll work my magic on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliates, smooths, and tones for real and imaginary vacations, made with roasted coffee grounds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beads. And it was $18.95. So that sounds really, really nice. I'm just not a coffee person. I don't like the scent of coffee. So that's the only reason why I'm giving this away, or I would have kept it, okay? So that is very, very nice. And last but not least, I got a palette. And I got the Queen palette by Eloise. A queen lies in all of us, which is so true. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And I've seen this in another one of the unboxings here on YouTube, and I was excited to get this. So excited. I was hoping I would get it, and I did. Because these are some gorgeous colors. It has a huge mirror, of course. Don't want to blind y'all. And look at these colors. So vibrant. So pretty. I'm just so happy and excited for this, you guys. Man, if I would have known. I can't wait to play with this palette. There's some looks coming with this palette, because I want to use every shade in this palette. Literally. And usually I don't have palettes I want to use every shade. I want to use majority or a few or a couple rows. This one, I feel like every shade would look great on my skin tone. So I'm super pleased about that. Oh my gosh, I'm happy about this. So the Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette, states that it possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us, and it retails for $46. So one thing I love is, for one, I love the palette. I love the shades in this palette. They are just so gorgeous. But what I do love, if I did not read the stock card, is the story behind it, letting you know that each shade and each shade name has a story and a meaning behind it. That will let you, I'm kind of like a nerd at heart, do some research and, you know, figure out what was going on in certain kingdoms and eras and different things of that nature. So this is going to intrigue me a little more. But I really, really do like this a lot. So very pleased with my box. I'm giving away a couple items from this box, but that's not a bad thing. It is a good thing that I do got some items, especially some nice giveaways, goodies to give away to you guys. But that is all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And comment down below, what did you like out of this month's Boxycharm Premium Box. I have variation number 3. But until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.